Welcome back to my school bus conversion project. To start out with, I'm finally going to get my lathe onto the bus. Battery died, so I lost the tail end of getting this in place. But to summarize, I used the crane to bring it over here and get it right next to the table at this height, and then used a set of ratchet straps to pull it over sideways until it was over the pegs, and then I bolted it down. Batteries finally arrived, so I should be able to start building an enclosure for those soon. It's a bit hard to film these days because it gets dark immediately, pretty much, so I have to do all of my work in the dark. But anyway, I've been working on some brake lights that are up above the lift gate. So I've drilled a pair of holes here and connected them with some cuts from the jigsaw. Drilled another hole into the interior of the bus where I'm going to run the wires. And that is going to connect up to the wiring harness to provide brake lights. And here it is installed, but not wired up yet. This is technically all I need in America, but I want it to be more visible, so I think I'm going to add an extra turn signal indicator separate from the brake light. And here's the light on the other side installed. And that wraps up this episode. I haven't been able to record much recently, which is why this one is kind of short, but I should be getting more done soon. So that's all for now. See you next week.